In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in Slack on mobile with QR code, 5 minutes. If you want the fastest way to get your Slack workspace onto your phone, the QR sign-in is quick, secure, and avoids typing passwords on a tiny keyboard. Start at your computer, open the Slack desktop app, or visit slack.com/sign-in in a web browser. Make sure you're looking at the right workspace on the desktop, especially if you use more than one. Next, click your workspace name in the top left corner of Slack. That opens a menu with account and app options. In that menu, choose Sign in on mobile. In some versions, you may see Get the mobile app. Pick that and the same QR screen appears. A QR code will pop up on your computer. Leave this window open and, if needed, bump up your screen brightness so your phone's camera can read it easily. Now switch to your phone. Open the Slack app on your mobile device. If you haven't installed it yet, grab it from your app store first so you're ready to scan. On the welcome screen, tap the sign in button. You'll see several ways to continue. Choose the scan QR code option. The first time you do this, your phone might ask for camera permission. Go ahead and allow it so Slack can scan the code. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer. Hold steady and fill most of the frame with the code, keeping glare off the monitor. You don't need to press the shutter. Once the code is in focus, Slack reads it automatically and links your mobile app with the workspace that's open on your desktop. After the scan completes, follow any final prompts on your phone to finish signing in. Depending on your organization's settings, you may be asked to confirm with a passcode, Face ID, or multi-factor authentication. If you use several workspaces, you can repeat this process for each one by opening the workspace on your computer and scanning again. If the scan doesn't work, double check that your desktop is showing the QR screen, increase brightness on both devices, and make sure your internet connection is stable. You can also close and reopen Slack on your phone and try the scan again. And that's it. You've signed into Slack on mobile using a QR code without typing anything. Enjoy instant access to your channels, messages, and notifications wherever you go.